Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer medical files with Athenahealth step by step clearly. To begin transferring medical files with Athenahealth, log in to your Athenahealth account. Navigate to the Documents section in the left-hand menu. Select Import to initiate the file transfer process. Choose the type of document you wish to transfer from the provided options. Click on Upload Files to browse your computer for the relevant medical files. Select the files you want to transfer and click Open. After uploading, wait for the files to finish processing. Ensure the uploaded documents are correct by reviewing their details. If necessary, edit the document types or add any relevant notes. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to complete the transfer. You can also share documents with other providers by navigating back to the Documents section. Select the specific document you want to share. Click on the Share option and choose the recipient from your network. Add any additional notes if needed before sending. Finally, click Send to complete the sharing process. Regularly check the status of your shared documents to ensure successful transfers. Always ensure that patient data is handled securely and complies with HIPAA regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.